It's your girl Esther, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun. And looky here, already straight to this video. Basically here I am doing my clove detox. I will list the ingredients on the screen for you. I let my hair sit in this water for about 20 minutes. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to growth and strength of your hair. They can be used to protect the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Cloves also contain anti-inflammatory agents, which further help in hair thickening. This is what my hair looked like after I finished doing the detox. It was really lightweight, really fluffy. I can feel a difference in my hair. I can say that, boy, my head was smelling like cooked food, okay? G-Wolf head ass, like, But I can say that after I did shampoo and condition, the smell did go away. Alright, so I already started trimming my ends and also brushing my ends open. I would apply conditioner to my ends and also water in a spray bottle. And then I would brush my ends and cut the excess where I would trim. So basically, this is how I trim my hair. I do this every 4 months. A lot of people may seem confused because I trim my ends still, but the reason being I trim my ends is because my hair is still exposed. Even though my hair is locked, but at the same time, it is loose natural hair. I still have my hair loosely on my head. My hair is still exposed to the earth's environment. My ends also still get dusty. So like me trimming my ends still help my hair grow, just as if my hair was loose natural, not in its locked form now. This is my hair after the detox, the wash, and blow drying. I can say I only lasted a little bit of time with the dryer because if you don't know, I'm tender-headed and I don't like feeling the heat on my scalp. I do it because I don't like my hair wet. I don't like the feeling of wet hair. So my hair is about 70% dry. Clearly you can see one side is drier than the other. I don't give a French toast. I was just over it. But my scalp area is dry. The ends are kind of wet. But other than that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. And don't forget to turn on that bell notification to get alerts whenever I post a new video. Okay, baby. I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye.